The length of a rectangular wall mural is 2 feet, greater than 3 times its width. Find the length and width of the mural if its area is 33 square feet. We first need to understand and translate to solve this problem. So I've let W equal the width of the mural, and based on the information in the problem, we know the length is 3W plus 2. We also know that the mural is rectangular, so the area of the mural is length times width. We're given that the area is 33. Our length is 3W plus 2, and our width is W. Now I can simplify this equation a bit by using the distributive property on the right. I'll have 3W squared plus 2W. And then finally I see that this equation has a squared term, so I will subtract 33 from both sides so that I have 0 on one side of the equation. We can now use this equation to solve the problem. The second step to solving this problem is to solve this equation 0 equals 3W squared plus 2W minus 33. To solve this quadratic equation, I have chosen the method of using the quadratic formula. I've identified A, B, and C. A is 3, B is 2, and C is negative 33. So I will use the quadratic formula, which is W equal to minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. I can now substitute values in. The opposite of B is negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared minus 4 times A, which is 3, times C, which is negative 33. That will be all over 2 times 3. Simplifying further, we have negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 396. 4 times 3 times negative 33 is 396, and in fact it's a negative number. We'll have that all over 6. We can simplify further. We'll have negative 2 plus or minus, we have 4 minus a negative, so 4 plus a positive 396, which is 400, all over 6. Now 400 is a perfect square, so the square root of 400 is 20. I can now simplify this by breaking it up into W equal to negative 2 plus 20 divided by 6, or W equals negative 2 minus 20 divided by 6. I will have negative 2 plus 20, which is 18, divided by 6 is 3, so we have W equal to 3, or negative 2 plus negative 20 is negative 22. So we have W is negative 22 over 6. In this case, we will have that reduced to a negative 11/3. We found that W is 3 or W is negative 11/3. However, in this problem we know that W represents a width, so the width cannot be a negative value. So we know that the width is 3 feet and the length is 11 feet, using the fact that the length is 3 times the width plus 2.